Welcome to Africalogy. You need to hear this if you're a history enthusiast. Curious about Africa's rich past? You're in the right place. Did you know the Great Wall of Benin was once the largest earthwork structure in the world? The ancient kingdom of Ghana, known as the Land of Gold, flourished in present-day Mali and Mauritania. Queen Amina of Zaria was a fierce warrior queen who expanded her kingdom in Nigeria. The Nubian pharaohs left an enduring legacy of pyramids and monuments. The obelisk of Aksum in Ethiopia stands over 24 meters tall and dates back centuries. The kingdom of Mapungubwe in South Africa thrived on gold trade in the 11th century. Queen Nzinga of Ndongo and Matamba fought against Portuguese colonization in the 17th century. The city of Jena in Mali boasts the largest mud brick building in the world. The Sand people of the Kalahari Desert are one of the oldest populations in Africa. The Oyo Empire in Nigeria was renowned for its military might and political systems. The Loango Kingdom's wood carvings depicted daily life and spiritual beliefs. The Tuareg, known as the Blue People, are famous for their indigo-dyed clothing. The Kingdom of Kanem-Bornu existed for over 1,000 years with a powerful legacy. The Berber people of North Africa have a rich cultural heritage. The Nok civilization's terracotta sculptures date back over 2,000 years. The Rock-Hewn churches of Lalibela in Ethiopia are architectural marvels. The University of Al-Qarawiyyin in Morocco is the oldest continuously operating educational institution. The Kingdom of Aksum connected Africa with Europe and Asia through trade. African textiles like kente from Ghana and mudcloth from Mali tell stories of heritage and identity. If these facts amazed you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Africalogy for more incredible insights into African history and culture. See you in the next video.